Hi everyone, this is Daniel from JuppLee, and I'm talking about how to reactivate your Google My Business account, also known as GMB. So when a Google My Business account is suspended, it's normally suspended because of a change or someone's logged into the account or something doesn't match. I just want to show you that we have got these done. So, we got an email here you can see from Google Business Profile Support at google.com saying, hey, we're happy to tell you that um, we have reinstated the account, and here is the account that we got reinstated. Um, it's not a very complex way to get these accounts fixed, but you have to know what you're doing. The key thing is providing evidence. If you don't provide the right evidence, you're not going to get the account fixed. I've been doing Google suspensions now for 3 years. I work with people who used to work with Google, so we know what we're doing. So if your Google My Business account is suspended, also known as your GMB account, reach out to us. I've got references for you if you need to call them. I just worked with a client who had 30 listings suspended, and we got them all reactivated. So, I'd be happy to provide references. We work with clients all over the world. And please, if your Google My Business account, don't worry, we can get it done just like we did it for this client here. Um, but at the end of the day, guys, you pay for what you get. I mean, you can go onto Fiverr, you can go onto these other sites, pay 25, $50. You pay for what you get. Our fees start from $500, 250 to $500, depending on the situation. Um, I have no problem saying we're not the cheapest, but you get quality service from us. My videos speak for themselves. So if you need help with your Google My Business, please reach out and we'd be happy to help you. Thank you.